Ever grappled with the challenge of finding a reliable web hosting service? A service that offers maximum uptime, advanced security features, and top-notch customer support? Well, the struggle ends today. Enter Bluehost, a leading web hosting platform that can cater to all your online needs. Let's delve right into the world of Bluehost and understand how to navigate its features effectively. Step 1. Signing up. To start your journey with Bluehost, you need to create an account. Visit Bluehost's official website and click on the Get Started button. You'll be presented with several hosting plans, each designed to suit a variety of needs. Choose the one that best fits your website requirements. Next, you need to secure a domain. Bluehost offers a free domain for the first year. You can either register a new domain or use an existing one. Fill in your domain in the designated field and proceed. Step 2. Filling in your account information. Here, you'll need to provide your personal details. Ensure to fill in accurate information to avoid any future complications. Step 3. Package information. Bluehost offers a range of packages. You can opt for a 12, 24, or 36-month package. Remember, the longer the duration, the better the savings. Also, check the package extras. Some may be useful, while others may not be necessary. Step 4. Payment. Fill in your payment details and voila! You've successfully set up your Bluehost account. But the journey doesn't end here. After creating your account, you'll need to install WordPress, which is incredibly easy with Bluehost. Click on the Login button, and Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you. Finally, you can start designing your website. Use WordPress's countless themes and plugins to create the website of your dreams. Bluehost's intuitive cPanel also allows you to manage your domains, email accounts, and website files. Plus, their customer support is available 24/7, ready to assist you at any time. Now that you know how to use Bluehost, the question is, why wait? Bid farewell to unreliable web hosting services and embrace the power of Bluehost. With its robust infrastructure, top-tier security, and excellent customer support, Bluehost ensures your online journey is smooth, secure, and successful. Take a leap of faith, sign up for Bluehost today, and unlock the full potential of your website. Remember, a great web hosting service is not just about keeping your website live, it's about ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. And Bluehost promises just that. The world of the internet awaits you. Make your mark with Bluehost. Start today by clicking below.